What's going on, guys? It's L&M. This is Levi coming in this morning. We're on our way to a detail up behind our shop. So I'm going there to meet Mikey right now. Happy Halloween. It is the day after Halloween, so hope everyone had a good trick-or-treat. Alright guys, we're headed to meet up with Levi again. This video is going to be similar to the last one. We're doing a deep wash on a truck. We're going to be trying some new products out again. Just want to say thank you guys for the feedback in the last video. We really do appreciate it, and we appreciate the support you guys have given us. So take me about 20 minutes to meet up with Levi, and I'll see you guys then. I love this, dude. Look at it.
That's cool.
If we walk over here, we have been using this protector wax. You guys know about that, but we preach this to everybody, how good this stuff really is, man. And then moving over here, we already use Chemical Guys Tire Shine, but they have this extra shiny tire shine that is supposed to be better. It's got higher ratings, and it is $2 more. And then we got us a new drying towel. What is this? McLean's drying towel. Yep. They are bigger than our original ones, and they got a cool color. I like the color pattern. We got this bug removal for 3D. We got the big jug of it. We already got it filled up in our sprayer. We're gonna fill it up with water. We put it to the heavy duty. Yeah. Which is like a 1 to 4. So we're gonna see what that does, because there's a lot of bugs we've noticed on the front where our Chemex stars and stripes hit, and sometimes doesn't get off. So we're just gonna see if we can't throw that on top of it and watch them come off.
I'm about to crank this up anyway and have the water pump.
Got 93 in there. Alright guys, a lot of people are asking water in these bottles. You can use like carpet cleaner or your interior cleaner and mist the carpet and then go over it with a drill, and it really brings everything, it loosens it up, and you can vacuum it up really well. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the steam cleaner here. It's so cold out that the steamer is like a fog machine. Like, this thing just ripped. I brought that right off of there. See over here? to get, like last video, get these door jambs soaking with some all-purpose, and then that way we can come back with the steamer and wipe everything out. We steam clean most of the passenger side, and we'll move over to the driver's side. Levi's wiping stuff down now. Pet hair just keeps showing up, but we'll just keep hitting it until everything's clean. Now I'm gonna hit all the windows with some window cleaner. And then what I love to do, guys, once you're completely done vacuuming and cleaning, take a brand new dry microfiber and just go over all your shiny plastic and trim like this and your screens, and it's gonna look brand new. Your customers are gonna love it. But we're gonna get all these windows cleaned. Levi's working on the mats over there, as you guys saw. We'll probably do one last wipe down of everything, just making sure everything looks shiny, there's no dust, no hair. One last vacuum, some new car smell, some stripes, and then we'll move on to the outside.
So we're here at the mats, and we got this new product we talked about called Kimmy. I think it's called Gummy Fix or something like that. But this stuff right here works really great. As you can see here, you got a little dirt stuff built up. We haven't touched this one. If you go over here, nice and black finish. Rub it in. Well, at least this is what we're gonna do this time. It's already looks better.
Next up on the list, we got this leather star. Man, this stuff conditions this leather, and you can just feel how much better this leather feels after doing this to your vehicle. Yeah. So the thing, when we mean like it conditions it, protects it. It protects it from UV, from sun, and also it's really like a slick, really good feel, and it's hard for something to scratch this too, is my personal opinion as well. guys. So just finished up the inside. It turned out absolutely phenomenal. We got some of this bug remover in here. We're gonna add some water. We're gonna go ahead and let that soak on the front here. We're gonna let our tire cleaner soak on the front. Then today we're gonna go a little hands-on. This thing needs a little hand scrubbing. About the outside a little bit. What's that one for? That. I don't want to use that on the side. I know. Alright, we got this bug. Bug remover on this front end up here. Go ahead and let this start soaking. Alright, now I'm going to go behind him with this combo while he's doing the initial rinse. That way this stuff can already be sitting. Alright, we're on to step 2. Levi's scrubbing the rims. Once this step 2 goes on, we're in a shaded area. We got time. We're just going to hit some spots that need to be scrubbed pretty well. This is our Cot Chemi wax. We preached this, guys. This is gonna go on after this and give it a nice finish.
Alrighty guys, last step, and we got something new coming for this last step. So we got the extra tire shine, supposed to be really good. This is around 10 bucks at Walmart or something like that. Then you got the one we were using is just a high gloss tire shine, and same people, chemical
This
guys.
one's around $8. That one's around 10.
So it's about $2 more you'll be spending. We're going to see what the difference is and which one we prefer to and which one works better.
Dude, I'm pretty sure. I already think that other one goes farther.
Yeah.
I think that's already something I noticed. Alright guys, once again, thanks for clicking on the video. We just finished up the outside. It looks phenomenal. I love the way this blue turned out. Tire shine, we compared the two. We got the $10 up here and the $8 back there. I think more this one because it holds the wet look. I know some people like the wet look, and then some people like just the matte black. I think we're gonna stick with that one. Yeah,
honestly, I like that one. I like the smell. It smells fresh. It's like a fresh smell. So other than that, the paint came out great. I mean, it's shining right behind us as the sun comes over. It looks beautiful. Turned out amazing. It's probably one of my favorite details we've done. I love the interior of this truck. It just looks amazing. So if you got any opinions, comments, anything, put them down in the comment area. Like it, share it, do what you want with it, but please show your help, because we really like doing this, and we really want to keep doing this for y'all. Thank you for everyone that's clicked the subscribe button. Tell your friends about us, tell them to click it. Anything like that would help out tremendously.
I don't have anything else, do you?
I think we're good. I think we got this one on the route.
Well guys, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the next video.
We'll see you.